Welcome back to our channel. Today we are covering the questions and answer on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Architect Associate. To find the complete list of questions and answer, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comment section. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. Now, the question is, when terminating a compute instance, you want to preserve the boot volume and its data. Which step will you need to perform? Options are: Option A, you cannot preserve the boot volume. It will always be deleted when you terminate the instance. Option B, reboot the instance first and then terminate the instance. Option C, disable the default option to delete the boot volume when terminating an instance. Option D, before terminating the instance, you must detach the boot volume. The correct option is option C. Next question is, an instance is launched with a primary VNIC that is created during instance launch. Which two operations are true when you add secondary VNICs to an existing instance? Choose two options, and the options are: Option A, you can remove the primary VNIC after the secondary VNIC's attachment is complete. Option B, you can remove the secondary VNIC later if it is not needed. Option C, the primary and secondary VNIC association should be within the same availability domain. And option D, it is not possible to connect two VNICs to an instance. The correct option is option B. Next question is, which does not set a variable in Terraform? Options are: Option A, passing the variable with a var statement to Terraform. Option B, setting the variable as key value pairs in in a file in a subdirectory named tfvar. Option C, a default value in the variable declaration within a tfplan file. Option D, setting the environment variable using a tfvar predicate in front of the variable name. The correct option is option B. Next question is, which two are required to create an IPsec VPN connection? Choose two options, and the options are: Option A, security list. Option B, static root CIDR. Option C, name. And option D, compute instance. The correct option is option A. Next question is, when deploying a highly available internet-facing two-tier web application on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure (OCI), which design option would you choose? Use. Options are: Option A, deploy all web servers into one availability domain and behind a public load balancer. and deploy two single node OCI database systems in the same availability domain with data guard enabled. Option B, deploy all web servers into multiple availability domains and behind a public load balancer and deploy two single node OCI database systems across two availability domains with data guard enabled. Option C, deploy all web servers into multiple availability domains and behind a public load balancer and deploy two single node OCI database systems across two availability domains with data guard enabled. Option C, deploy all web servers into multiple availability domains and behind a private load balancer and deploy two single node OCI database systems across two availability domains with data guard enabled. And option D, deploy all web servers into one availability domain and deploy a single node OCI database system into a different availability domain. The correct option is option B. Next question is, which two identity providers can you, administrator, federate with Oracle Cloud Infrastructure? Choose two options. And the options are option A, Microsoft Active Directory, option B, Oracle Identity Cloud Services, option C, AWS Directory Services, and option D, Google Directory Federation Services. The correct option is option A. Next question is, what is the maximum CIDR range that can be assigned when configuring a virtual cloud network? Options are option A /16, option B /26, option C /24, and option D /8. The correct option is option A. Thank you.